Hello everyone, I'm Cindy from Popalloon. Today, I'm going to teach you. It's a sword. Okay. First, now we start from. You need 3 balloons, 260 balloon. You can pick any color you like. First, I'll teach you how to pump the balloon. So if you think push a bit difficult for you, then you just pull this out and put in the balloon, then push. Right, maybe pump for 5 times. Then about tie it. Actually, this is good enough for me to tie. But if you think it's too short for you, then you just twist a little bit from here, then press it and leave the air out. Okay, then you'll get a longer ear. So when you want to tie it right, there's 2 fingers here, just make it open and put them around and put it in the hole. Okay, now you get a black balloon, and before you want to twist, right, you just massage a little bit, massage and press the air to the end part so that it get a bit soft and it's easier for you to tie. Okay, and then we see. Alright, so it's about 1 palm size. After the 1 palm size, we make 2 little bubbles. 2 little bubbles. Twist. Okay. And now it gets a little bit harder. So we press again. And we twist the long one into the middle of the bubble. Okay. One more round. Then you get this. Okay. Then this, and this one we want to make it the same length. Then you get this ear, put it in, and get it out from another side. Okay. So now it's get a bit harder again. Press again. So we want to make sure, okay, the length is the same length. Now we twist 2 more bubbles. Sorry. Okay. And twist. 1, 2. Okay. So twist, massage again. Alright. Now we do the same step, which is wrap this balloon into the middle of the bubble. 1 time. 2 times. Then you get this again. Got it? Okay. Now make sure the length is the same. Press and twist. Okay, so twist. Then you'll get this. Now let's see. Now just check like how long the handle you want. So from here, you put 2 bubbles. Okay, and another one. Okay, then you get this. Alright, and this is too long for me, so I don't want this. So when you want to cut it, cut the bottom part. Okay, just press a little bit. Yep. Then make it a bit thick. Cut a little bit. A little hole here. So twist and tie. This is the first step. Okay, alright, now blow another balloon. Okay, and this balloon, you have the ear from here. Okay, so just tie it in the middle, roll it around, one more time, then you get this. Alright, okay, now let's do the heart of the sword. You just need a little bit attached together in the middle. Okay, so just a little bubble, twist a little bubble here, and twist it around. Okay, press it. So you get this, the round small bubble, and cross this to another side. Okay, twist a small bubble, another small bubble, press a little bit if it's too hard for you. And you see, just wrap it. Alright, and cut it off. So adjust a little bit, adjust this to the bottom. Then the handle will curve like this. So if this is too short, right? And you take this, make a few more rounds, wrap it again, wrap until it's tight enough. Okay. Alright. Then it won't be so soft, like, okay? Yeah. Dung. Alright. So if you think, this design, not good enough, so if you want to add on something, then just blow another balloon. Okay. This. Tie it around. Move it to the bottom. This one, make sure not in front, the side looks like this. Alright. And from the knot here, you press and twist them together with the earpiece. Okay. So now we go to another side, which is here. Press and twist it to in between this and the knot and the ear twist. All right. So twist it. Cut this off. Lift it out and tie it. Then you get this. Yay! So actually you can add on anything here to make your balloon sword looks nicer, or you can choose any favorite color on the handles, on here and here. Okay? Alright, let's do it! Okay, if you like our channel, subscribe and share. Thank you, have a good day!
Yeah, 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 yeah.